Children, this is representation of zincate ion. This is representation of plumbite ion, and this is representation of symbolic representation of meta-aluminate ion. Now in amphoteric oxides, we will study 6 examples, 3 with acids and 3 with bases, taking amphoteric oxides. Okay, so first we are taking zinc oxide plus HCl. You are getting ZnCl2 and H2O. So simple double displacement reaction you will use to find out the products. Okay, so Zn2 plus O2 minus H plus Cl minus. So exchange of radicals, Zn and chlorine will come together. So zinc chloride, this is salt, zinc chloride, and this is water. Now second is lead oxide. Lead oxide is reacting with HCl, and you are getting salt, lead chloride and water. Okay, so this is lead chloride and this is water, salt and water. Again neutralization reaction. Here this is acid, so it is behaving as base. Here this is acid, so this will behave as base. So aluminium oxide, when it will react with HCl, it will form salt aluminium chloride. Okay, and it will form water as well. So this is again neutralization reaction. But in these cases, zinc oxide, lead oxide and aluminium oxide, they are reacting with bases. Okay, so since they are reacting with bases, they will act as acids here. Okay, so here these oxides are acting as acidic oxides, and here these oxides are acting as basic oxides. Okay, so with acid they will behave as base, with base they will behave as acids. Now here let us study zinc oxide and sodium hydroxide. So it will form salt sodium zincate, okay, and water. Now lead oxide is reacting with again strong base KOH, potassium hydroxide. So this is base, it will behave as acid and it will give salt K2PbO2, potassium plumbite and water. Okay, this is potassium plumbite, this is salt, and this is water. Okay. Now here this base we have used NaOH, and it is reacting with Al2O3, so it is acting as acidic oxide and it will form meta-aluminate ion. With meta-aluminate it will form sodium meta-aluminate salt. Okay, so sodium is Na plus, you know, and meta-aluminate is AlO2 minus. So sodium is Na plus and meta-aluminate is AlO2 minus. So it will form salt NaAlO2. Okay, so it will form salt NaAlO2, sodium meta-aluminate. And water. Alright, so remember these 3 reactions, they are slightly different from the other 3 reactions. Here the sodium Na plus will react with zincate ion. Here potassium ion will react with plumbite ion. It will form sodium zincate. And water, it will form potassium plumbite and water, and it will form sodium metaluminate and water.